Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify brand templates in Adobe Creative Cloud Libraries, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify brand templates in Adobe Creative Cloud Libraries, begin by launching Adobe Creative Cloud. Log in to your account if prompted. Navigate to the Libraries panel. You can find this panel on the right side of the interface in most Adobe applications. Click on the name of the library that contains your brand templates. Review the list of assets within that library. Locate the specific brand template you wish to verify. Right-click on the brand template to access the context menu. Select View Asset to open the template in a new window. Check the template for any discrepancies or errors. Make note of the elements you need to verify, such as colors, fonts, and logos. Compare these elements against your brand guidelines or reference material. If everything checks out, you can proceed with using the template. If you find any inconsistencies, make the necessary adjustments. Return to the Libraries panel once your adjustments are complete. To ensure that other team members have access to the updated template, click Share. Choose your sharing preferences based on your team structure. Confirm that the updated template is visible in the library for all relevant users. Regularly review the library to ensure compliance with brand standards. This will help maintain consistency across all design projects. By following these steps, you can efficiently verify brand templates within Adobe Creative Cloud Libraries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.